So I ordered this thing on Temu. I thought it was going to be a cat bed, but it turned out to be this thing that you like attach to the window and they can sleep in it. Um, but yeah, it's not what I thought. So I put it in the hallway. Well, my boyfriend put it in the hallway to see what the animals will do. And then I put a doggy in there to see if they'd react. Now they both just ran away, so I'm not really sure what's going on. We got Maxie in here. So beautiful. Oh yeah. And I put this bowl of water on the floor in the winter so my skin doesn't get dry and the animals take turns drinking out of it. This is how my cat drinks water. Wait, she'll do it. It's like she's in the litter box and she starts doing this thing with her legs. Let's see if she does it. She is not doing it. That's so weird. Mazzy, you're not being weird. Okay. She's like, what's mommy doing? No, no scratching. No scratching. What's going on, Max? Huh? What's going on? Is SimSim doing something funny? Let's see. Aww. We gotta put this on for him. What are you doing, cutie pie? Only problem with the flash is, you know what it does to their eyes. Hold on. I might have to turn it off. Let's see. SimSim. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? You're being so cute. Yeah. He really is so cute. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be pretty fuzzy. There we go. All right. So this is my day, hanging out with all the animals in my house, and I really like it.